Our Food Connection approach allows you to refocus kitchen and serving areas to transform your workplace. By integrating an off-site central kitchen or aggregator, large food preparation areas can be reduced by up to 50% or more while incorporating digital ordering and quick-service dining concepts that deliver high-quality, delicious food and improve daily employee food experiences. This streamlined model reduces food service space as well as staff, energy, waste management, equipment, and maintenance costs. Adapting to changing workforce habits by moving primary food operations off-site can revolutionize your business by freeing up valuable space and operating costs while providing exciting new food options and enhanced quality for your employees, satisfying their preferences for more variety and flexibility that suit the tastes and needs of each day. All served from cafes, self-service micro-market locations, food carts, and personalized food lockers. With Vital Spaces, you can repurpose your existing kitchen space to solely accommodate immediate food prep and distribution, giving you more room for other on-site business functions and helping you improve employee choice and satisfaction and save money. Vital Spaces Food Connection.